Try to understand with your heart what is being said. It doesn't matter who says it. Even the most ordinary people can sometimes give you the most valuable advice in the world. It's like a ghost inside the mustard, while everyone is chasing a safe and effective vaccine to survive from the corona epidemic. Corona itself asked not to drink RO processed water and to drink water from deep underground tube wells. Now the question is why drinking water should be reverse osmosis and what is the relationship between corona and reverse osmosis. First of all, we have four important things to say. Pure water and drinking water are not the same thing. The virus destroys the cells, but the minerals help in the formation of cells. Acid react with metals. The metal ions of the soap destroy the virus. In light of my basic knowledge of physics, chemistry and biology, I would like to emphasize that the reverse osmosis process is responsible for the current corona epidemic. Again, reverse osmosis is a crop of urban civilization called supply water that exists all over the world. In the process of reverse osmosis, the minerals in the water are released from the water in order to disinfect the waste and waterborne diseases in the supply water. As a result, reverse osmosis water is pure water but not drinking water. The minerals in the water destroy the virus and turn non-vegetarian food into simple food and nourish the various organs of the body. Mineral water maintains the ideal pH value of blood 7.4. A slight misalignment can lead to catastrophe and even death. The pH of the small intestine 8 to better digest food. Some water-centric businesses add minerals to the RO processed water by mineral cartridges or by some other artificial means that can be toxic for human body. As pure water, that means water without mineral, is a good solvent, it is deadly harmful to the body. Drinking water, on the other hand, is water containing essential minerals, the ideal value of which exists only in the water of deep underground tube wells. So, regular drinking of deep tube well water is the only solution to prevent any viral infection, including corona. Just as there is no substitute for breast milk for a baby, there can be no substitute for deep tube well water for public health. Arsenic, lead, or iron is just a business venture. They do not have harmful effects on eating vegetables and fruits, so there is no need for any treatment of groundwater. On the other hand, RO, UV, chlorination or O3 by bottled water in plastic bottles and various water purifier machines is very risky for public health. Such type of water is causing a host of diseases including corona in urban areas around the world. Finally, I would like to say regular drinking of deep tube well water is the only solution to prevent any viral infection including corona. And 6 plus 7 equal to 13 chemical formula suspension cures any viral disease including corona. I am willing to give all the research work related to this formula to any local or international organization and pharmaceutical. Interested parties are requested to contact me via video comment box or email address dilshadanam550@gmail.com.